Ahoy mates, join us as we prepare to push off for our season opener of sailing the San Francisco Bay. Here we are scrubbing the Catalina, 30-foot cruiser of relatively new growth from within the past couple of weeks, with our patent-pending waterline brush. There are a number of boat chores and pre-flight checks we'll undergo to ensure she's seaworthy after being tucked away at berth all winter, including a significant amount of rainfall in the month of March. Next up is firing up the inboard atomic 4 engine and warming her up with fresh gas, as we monitor oil pressure and cooling temps from the upgraded freshwater closed-loop system, along with idle and rev behavior with the carburetor choke on and off. All systems are a go. Let's reverse out of the slip, pull out of the marina, and set our bearing north towards Hunter's Point and the Embarcadero, and hunt for wind along the way.